don't start. You don't start.
They don't start now. You're supposed to use man voice. What they worry you?
Okay.
That your deep voice yesterday. Now you go use today.
I welcome all of you come party this morning. How body, how na day? I hope everybody did all right. You know, as they do, I'm all fresh, all clean, We did party today with my girl, Mayolzi.
I'll be my guy.
That's what they do. That's what they do. Wait. I won't remember how they do again. We hope everybody did all right. We hope everybody did casual for house. We hope everybody did game. Everybody just sit down. Everybody just did all right. We just carry the levels they go out to the matter. Welcome to party today. With the Teresa salute, they greet everybody.
Mayor, Ugly baby.
What's up?
How you doing now?
I do, my guy.
Now, you know me, I'm a London girls. You know me, and all my friends from the London teas and everything. We welcome all of you now to party this morning, you know. I'm a gendered somebody and everything, you know. So we welcome all of you now again to party with my guy, Ogbolo.
My Ozzy.
Ugly baby.
We'll go break.
Oh, we're supposed to go on break now. We don't worry you. So we will be right back. Make I do them in a tush manner. You understand me now? We'll be right back on the party show. Hey. And behave yourself, please. Oh my God, that was hilarious.
That's it funny that.
Seriously, it's funny me.
Oh, well, that's how they laugh. No, that's how they laugh.
No, and they try and laugh like you. You understand? You know. All right.
Oh,
now,
Mayowa, impersonated Mayowa. Number one, you are not fine. You are not fine at all. I am very embarrassed by this me.
Sure, you know that's how you be or every day.
Now lie.
Where you gonna make mouth say you fine? I don't use voice again. I want use my real voice.
Lie.
Forget.
See, you are ugly.
You ugly pass ugly. If they say any word again for ugliness, you are a epitome of a ugly.
Even as man, I still make him.
You see what
as man. You know.
No, like all those guys are waiting for back of camera, they deceive you.
As man, I
forget.
make him. As man, I make this thing.
But seriously, my makeup is too loud. Hello, makeup artist. Please, why are you making my makeup into loud
because they can want to help your situation. Your situation is helpless.
My situation is helpless.
You are
Your
helpless.
situation is helpless. See, I go slap you now. I go just slap you now. It do anyhow. Rubbish somebody.
Battery against men. Battery against men.
Battery against
violence
men.
against men.
I just slap you. I remember I shoot now. Just knock you for head. How do you feel?
You know, talk.
How do you feel? How do you feel? Now they say they threaten you now, be mad. They threaten you. You know they feel like say they molest you. I go just slap your eye.
No, you too like Wala. You're a violent girl.
You don't say my violent.
You're a violent girl.
Okay. Okay, so now we'll just enter the yarn level proper. Okay, so we'll do the way we say do now. You know. Now time for
yarn.
The yarn.
I don't do that. Oh.
I mean, I know they shout like this way. They shout like this. I don't they shout. I don't they vex anyhow.
Oh, I know they do this thing. Oh.
All right, now.
What? I do not do. I don't do it.
Yeah, what you do? What you do?
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Now.
Now the day is over. Now the day is over. Now the day is over. We are going up, 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 up.
Please. Now, see, Jeff, behave yourself, please. To use that voice, not be small thing. Okay, make I try. Use your voice a bit now.
No, my voice is thinner.
No, my voice is thinner. Like your voice like be this now. Hey, my ugly baby.
Oh God, Lord, you're very foolish.
Yeah, I know I
God.
am foolish. You know, but foolishness, I need to sell the game like now, like duh.
I don't do duh.
Like, see, Maya, anyone.
I don't do duh.
Anyone, please.
If you go do and well.
All right, now, for those of you who like to drink anything, they drink anyhow, go to somewhere and you are drinking a drinking competition. They say, you know, they're good every time. You understand? For one funeral, person die. One Ogbede boy, this one a Bini boy. Waka go that place, him and his friends, they say me then go there, go rejoice. Go console people then where they have lose somebody in the family. When they reach there now, finally, they can't say me then go do drinking competition.
Pose well.
Drinking competition. Waiting they do you now.
Pose well.
When they go do drinking competition. When they go do drinking competition. They say, they go do drinking competition. And then everybody drink. At the end of the day, Ogbede supposed to collect 4,000 naira after the drinking competition as person will win the thing. But unfortunately, due to the drinking of excesses and everything, Ogbede lose in life from drinking competition for a funeral.
You see? That's why they tell people, if you don't get mind for something, no, they do them. If you don't get mind for something, no, they do them. This thing, they provoke me. If they provoke me, if you don't get the mind to drink, no, they drink. No, they do what you do. They provoke me. Sorry. No, they beg me. No, they beg me. I don't know. You don't talk your story. You might talk my own.
Yeah, I don't finish my own. Talk your own. This way, you always do like this every time. You know, for a London guest, for us, where we are London guests, and everything.
You two they lie. Maya, why you two they lie?
Wait, I'm not
Maya, why you two they lie?
I'm a London guest.
You two they lie, Maya, why? Now you go first go air fire. Ladies first. You go air fire, Maya.
Now you go air fire.
You go air fire.
Now you go first go air fire. Why don't you use that air fire as the thing where you always use the table?
No problem. No problem.
Every lie the thief, you go thief.
You go thief.
Now you go thief first.
You go thief.
You are a thief free.
I'm robber. Look at you.
Please read your nonsense. Please. Your story. Sorry.
All right, make I just give you my gist now. This one concerns men like us. No, they enter my shot. I go wound you.
Enter your shot.
I go wound you.
So you decide they feel.
I go wound you. This one concerns men like us. I go slap you. Now, this particular guy.
Wait, listen. Before you continue, Ogbo, no, they say I go slap you. It's wrong against women. Please rephrase your statement. Thank you very much. Continue with your yarn. Duh.
This particular guy, for inside the Japan place, inside the Chinese Japan place, not all of them they resemble. We never know which one be Chinese, which one be Japan. Now this, this particular guy, his name, I go wound you. Sorry, I no go wound you. What do you worry you now? What do you worry you? So the guy name now Wuzia. Yes. Wuzia. Thank you. 21 years old. He been get this former girlfriend when he done the friend. He don't say that one have 20 years old. Her name na Juntang.
Juntang.
Yes. But he break up with Juntang. Come begin friend this one now. 22 years old where her name na Rong Tsao. Now, Juntang will be the ex-girlfriend. Then one made them come back together with who here, that 21-year-old boy. But who can't say he don't see new girlfriend wrong Sao. Now in the girl can't arrange meeting between the three of them. Who Juntang and Ron Sao. Now in Juntang, the ex-girlfriend can't jump inside water, say, I know say still love me. He go save me. Now in the new girlfriend say, wait till your day. Now me he love. She said jump inside water. Two of them come they shout, who's yow? Save me. Who's yow? Well, long and short of the story. Who's yow? He saved in present girlfriend. Where be waiting, where be wrong. Sao. Can't leave Juntang for there. Call him brother. Say, My hair is not falling inside water. I'll go save them for me.
I dey always tell girls every time. I dey always tell ladies, see, as we may be ladies, you understand? You're not supposed to do anything anyhow. If the man you are leaving you, let him leave you and just go. You go your own way. You are more than somebody. All the single ladies, You understand me now? So please, all this one town, Jin Chao, Jin Hai, Yamaha, Suzuki, and everybody, please. Thank you.
Well, I know they roll my eyes like that.
Mayo, I want to roll something. Make I shall do something.
I
To
know
do
they
you
roll
they
my
hard.
eyes like
To
that.
do like you they hard.
To do like you self hard.
That's what I tell you to do myself.
To do
I know I just leave you make they try they do somebody. Maybe now they do Jeff. Me I did like this now. I they do Efiog. No, don't be Efiog. I they do Efiog. I they do Bodere. No, Bodere to. I they do Monica. Monica, I like you. Don't try. Monix, baby.
More go break, we they come back.
So we they come back now, right?
Break, we they come back.
See my shoe. My shoe now LV. You understand? Link to one.